Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix is not charging on Infinix, not Edge. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app. Scroll down to and click on system. After click on system, click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix if your is not turning on Infinix, not Edge. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.